Hey gamers, want to unlock 90 or 120 FPS in PUBG or BGMI in Update 4.1 on your low-end device? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can unlock 120 FPS on your game using the same safe and simple method I used on my own device. The best part? It doesn't require any config file modifications because, let's be honest, that's not only a lengthy process, but it's also pretty risky when you're messing with the game's data files. Plus, nowadays Android phones have restrictions that prevent you from accessing and modifying config files in game data anyway. But by the end of this video, you'll be able to unlock the maximum FPS on your PUBG or BGMI without any of that hassle. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. But first, let me show you the current situation on my phone. Right now, my device doesn't support 90 or 120 FPS options. As you can see here, my device only supports the extreme option, which maxes out at just 60 FPS. Once you've confirmed your device has the same limitation, let's go ahead and unlock that 120 FPS. First, open the Play Store on your phone and search for 120 frames per second. In the search results, you'll want to click on the app with the orange icon called 90 frames per second plus 120 frames per second and go ahead and install it. Once that's installed, head back to the Play Store and search for Shizuku and install that as well. Now, if Shizuku isn't available in the Play Store for your device, just like it wasn't for mine, don't worry at all. Simply open any browser on your phone and search for Shizuku. In the search results, open the up-to-down website and click on the Get Latest Version section, then scroll down and hit the download button. Once that's done, your Shizuku app will be downloaded and ready to go, so head back and install it. After that's done, go to your phone's settings and open About Phone. Inside About Phone, you need to look for the build number option. Once you've found it, tap on it 7 times consecutively. After the 7th tap, you'll see a message pop up saying you are now a developer, which means the developer options have been successfully enabled on your device. Now it's time to open the Shizuku app that you just downloaded. Click on the pairing option and make sure to allow notification permissions when prompted. Once that's done, go back to your settings and click on the Developer Options button. Inside Developer Options, scroll down and locate the Wireless Debugging option, then click on it. Now, to enable wireless debugging, you'll need to have your phone connected to a Wi-Fi network, so go ahead and connect to one if you haven't already. Once you're connected to Wi-Fi, enable the Wireless Debugging option and then click on Pair Device with Pairing Code. After you do that, you'll see a Shizuku notification pop up on your screen. Click on the Enter Code option and carefully type in the exact pairing code that's being displayed on your screen, then save it. After that's complete, head back to the Shizuku app's homepage and click on the Start button. The Shizuku service will initialize and start running within 3 seconds. You should now see a message that says, Shizuku is running, which confirms everything is working properly. Now it's time to open the 90 frames per second app that you downloaded earlier. You might see an advertisement pop up when you open it, and that's completely normal, so just wait through it. Once you're in the app, you'll need to select your game version, whether that's India or Global, depending on which version you play. Then, click on the 120 FPS Unlock button. The app will prompt you to apply the configuration file, so simply click on the Apply Files button, and boom, just like that, you've successfully unlocked 120 frames per second on your game. Now, go ahead and launch the game to verify if the unlock has been applied correctly. Now, here's something interesting. For some reason in Update 4.1, the Ultra Extreme option isn't visually showing up in the graphics settings, but the game is definitely running at 120 frames per second. You can actually see a hint displayed on screen that says Frame Rate Ultra Extreme, which is something that wasn't showing up before this unlock. So don't worry about not seeing it in the settings menu. To confirm this is actually working, let me show you in the game itself. I'll enable an FPS meter overlay that displays the real-time frame rate so you can see with your own eyes that we're hitting that smooth 120 frames per second.
Marked a
has
location.
just been terminated.